Catch of the day right there. We're out here in the Mississippi River, Pool 2, right kind of downtown St. Paul. I am what I would consider a very mediocre fisherman. So part of what I'm wanting to do is learn a little more and practice and get out here and fish. And I think that's one of the great things about fishing is, you know, you can constantly be learning, you can constantly be growing. You know, going for walleye is different than going for bass, it's different than going for muskie. And so you can constantly be doing different things. Once again, Mississippi River, Pool 2, right by the lock. Pool 2 is an interesting area because it is open all year round. You can target walleye, you can target bass, and it's just catch and release all year. I mean, there's definitely a few, I'll say, fish down here, but I'm not impressed. Just got a little 1/4 ounce jig with a Moxi. So this is orange core with chartreuse. I'm thinking they've moved out from in here. The lazy bite by the dam is over. Yeah, there's some marks. Problem issue with Mississippi is it's like there's so many different types of fish. A little bit just kind of exploring, you know. As I said, kind of your goal is to get out here in the Mississippi more and learn a little bit more about it. And we've mainly stuck further north on it, so trying to head a little bit further south on Pool 2 here to see what else there is. So. Post-spawn for these walleyes, you know, where are they going, what kind of presentation work. You know, the water was still pretty cold, about 44 degrees, so still trying some plastics, also tried some blade baits. Catch of the day right there. All right, we need to find a spot to get out of this wind. Nope, not seeing much. And finally hooked up today. Not target species. Same I caught last time. I know how to catch buffalo in the Mississippi. Now I just need to figure out if I catch walleye or anything else. You know, just trying to kind of multitude of different things. Hit up a bunch of different spots. Went all the way down to the dam, down to downtown St. Paul. Really just trying to understand this body of water and hopefully figure it out a little bit better for the summer. And when I come out here with Isaac, you know, I think I have a pretty good idea now with the buffalo. So hopefully be able to bring him out and catch one of those so he can add that to his little tally of fish caught. Just wanted to make sure we can find a spot that has more fish, not necessarily bigger ones, and just go out and have a good time.